Morning, everyone. It's June the 1st, and this is your pre opening comment for Tuesday, June the 1st. It's video number 790. And as always, I remind you, if you like the work, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our work. Okay, so June, kind of a wishy-washy month, tied with September for the worst month of the year. That said, it's been up 52% of the time, and although the average move is 0.12%. And frankly, that's just not meaningful because 0.12% is something that happens over any 3-minute period while the market's open. In the news, KKR buying Cloudera, CLDR. There is a go shop in effect, meaning that they can look around for a better deal. Carl Icahn owns 18% of this one, and it's an all-cash deal, about $5.3 billion. So it's $16 a share, and the stock has actually traded a shade over that. Currently 1588, up 288, or 22%. Cyber attack on JBS Meats. That's the largest meat producer here and in Australia. They're working on that, but there's not a lot of news. The meme stocks are again higher. I saw BlackBerry up about $1, which is 10%. AMC, however, is up 20%, and that's twofold. Number one, there was The Quiet Place 2 over the weekend, this weekend, and that was the biggest box office in the U.S. since the pandemic began, at $58 million for the long weekend, and the company is also raising some more money. The stock, is 3066, up 448, or 20%. In the crypto world, the EU is talking about developing a cross-border wallet for crypto, so they're trying to get involved also. Asia was mixed. China was down. Europe is up slightly, and here at home, the Dow is up about 260. NASDAQ up 65, and the S&P up 24. So, yesterday I was looking at these things ahead of the of our open, and they had gone from minus about $20 to minus about $11 in the Sunday night markets, and then last night they obviously climbed a bit higher, substantially higher actually. Okay, so the big move today so far is the oil, and I mentioned this on Thursday and on Friday morning about a breakout, and clearly it has broken out. The high close in this range was right here at 66.09. Currently, we're trading 68.62. So that's a pretty impressive move. Again, same kind of situation that consolidates across, breaks up, consolidates, tests, breaks up to that recovery high, came back down, tested with another higher low, moved up, consolidated across, and broke up. We are in the nat gas here, so I'll show you that one. It's not as extensive a move as the oil is, but it is pretty nice. I mean, we have come back to the upside, consolidated, broken out again, and blown off. Came back down to test, rallied, came back down slightly higher, low test, and now moving higher. We have to close above this 307.80 in order for me to be excited about it, but it is really a nice looking chart. This we're in the UNG calls, but we are also in Tellurian, TELL, and that had a heck of a week last week. Uh, Bitcoin is up a little in the futures. It was down a little in the actual cash market, currently trading 36,340. The dollar has given back most of the gain and looks like it may be ready to break again. Give you a look. This is the weekly, and we closed unchanged 2 weeks in a row, and we're looking lower. Low close here is 89.89.4. We're trading 89.86.5. So, you know, essentially we are already breaking, but since it's a weekly chart, we'd have to be looking at a Friday. On the daily chart, it's a little bit better, but not much. Low close here, 89.62. So 89.62 on a daily, 89.89 on a weekly. The bonds are down yet again, down 21/32, so roughly 2/3 of a cent, 2/3 of a dollar, pardon me. And this is another one, I have pointed this out just repeatedly about how we get these lower highs. Got to show you it on the weekly in order for you to see it. Consolidate, break, lower high, consolidate, break, consolidate, lower high, break, break. So we're, on the daily, this is where we are, looking like we're going to break again. Low close right here is 155.18, so 155.5, and the actual low close is 154 and change. So we'll see whether this extends to the downside. Okay, so the Dow is now showing up 272 with the S&Ps up 25. Let's see if they'll print the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still up the same, approximately $62. So have a good day, everyone, and be careful out there. We could easily see a reverse here. The volume hasn't been that great, so it's always a crapshoot after a 3-day weekend. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe.